Holy YouTube, it's been a hot minute. Well, I've been grinding behind the scenes and I'm back today with an absolute banger. Have you ever wondered if people can actually profit from crypto trading? Well, today I'm going to share with you my crypto trading strategy that has led to over $500,000 in profit, which I then turned into multiple rental properties that cash flow immediately. Now, I didn't get lucky with 1 or 2 coins, but instead this profit came from over 10 plus coins that ranged anywhere from 5x to over 100x. So the first property I bought was this townhouse for $320,000 and decided to upgrade almost immediately, putting renovations into the kitchen, the bedrooms, and the bathrooms. Curb appeal is huge, so we also installed turf on the front lawn for easy management and a great look year-round. After all these renovations were finished, finding a tenant was one of the easiest tasks. Currently, my city is seeing ludicrous population growth from immigration, so finding a place to stay is becoming desperate for many people. Next, I purchased this duplex for $475K, which already had installed up-down suited units. As stated previously, we started to upgrade almost immediately, starting with the outside appeal as well as the basement, which was empty on possession. Bathrooms can give a huge increase to the rent because people are much more satisfied with the place they go almost every day. So we started with the bathroom, renovating it, tearing down the walls, and making it a bigger, more pleasant place to be. Updating these amenities will increase the rental price, and I'm going to go over this whole breakdown very shortly. But how did I come to buying 2 properties in cash in less than 2 years? Well, through a strict set of trading guidelines that I'm going to share with you today. Now, I do have full videos going over these breakdowns and my rules, but for time's sake, I'm going to give you a bulleted list so we can all profit more. The very first rule I have is that investing is a zero-sum game, meaning in order for you to win, someone must lose. Barrier to entry is actually an opportunity. Learn quicker than the masses for these kind of openings. Number 3, I have dollar cost averaging is for investing and not trading. I myself made a lot of my money trading, taking profit, and finding the next one. Anytime my initial investment doubled, I would take it out and leave a small moon bag in for the serious profit. Number 5, emotions will ruin you, so you need to be cold-hearted. You will get rugged. It's almost impossible not to. Even myself have been there. Number 7, the fear and greed index is very important. Buy when people are fearful and sell when people are greedy. Number 8 is when to take profits. I myself will do this often and dollar cost average out of my positions. And number 9, take out your profits and invest in separate asset classes like I have in this video. Now, after hitting a few 100x investments, which you can still view on my channel, go and check those videos out, I cashed out diligently and invested in other currencies, Canadian, USD, as well as some overseas currencies. Now, of course, investing and trading income is taxed very differently in different countries, so please go and consult a tax advisor in your local area on how to deal with these profits. I myself do not give any kind of investment advice. This is for entertainment purpose only. Next, let's talk about my rental evaluation process and cash flow breakdown that I did on these properties prior to purchasing. Currently, as this video is being made, financing rates are skyrocketing, sitting anywhere between 5 and 10%. So I was not interested in financing any of this. I then created a cash flow breakdown and future expenses and income on an Excel sheet, as we can see here. As long as I'm at least seeing a 6% increase on my money each year, now this does not include appreciation, I find this a good investment. As mentioned earlier, my city is seeing a huge supply shortage in rental properties, thus driving up the rental revenue I can charge each year. My numbers worked for these returns, so offering a lower purchase price in cash allowed me to get in under the asking price. Now, if rates turn around and come back to the 2 or 3%, I would then take out a home equity loan and use that to to purchase another property. But maybe you're not in the same boat as myself and you don't have cash to just buy out the complete property, so you need financing. I have the perfect solution for you. I highly recommend you do some research into if your country offers a first-time home buyer's savings plan in order for you to save a ton of tax when buying your first property. Always make sure to break down the numbers in a simple Excel spreadsheet and account for any of the variable costs that may spring up on you last minute. I myself looked at over 30 different properties in person before I closed on either of these two. I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Till next time, take care.